We see the another practical, that is study of lichen diversity. Lichens are firstly discovered by Tulasne in 1892. It is a symbiotic association of algae and fungi. That is, both the partners get benefited from each other and they are not harmful to each other. The thallus consists of an alga and a fungus. The association In the association, fungal partner is called as mycobuoyant and the algal partner is known as the phycobuoyant. Mycobuoyant is generally from the grass Ascomycetes, and the algal member belongs to Cyanophyceae or sometimes to Chlorophyceae. Types of lichens. The lichens grow on a variety of habitats and are common on rocks, bark of trees. Many of them grow under extreme conditions of cold, humidity, and drought. On the basis of their growth, form, and nature of attachment to the substratum, lichens are classified in three categories. First is crustose or crustaceous, foliose or foliaceous, and third is fruticose or filamentous. Now we see the first type, that is crustose lichen. Crust means here the lichen is highly attached or sunken in the substratum, and they will grow on bark of trees or on rocks, and the adhesion of lichen with their substratum is very close and firm to the substratum, so it is known as crustose lichen. These are generally ash colored or of different colors. On the surface of the thallus, uh, some spots are seen. This is known as apothecia, in which spores are present. Example is graphis. Then second type is foliose or foliaceous. Here foliose means the thallus look like as a leaf like leaf. Thallus is look as a leaf, and it lower portion is attached to the substratum and upper portion is somewhat flat or above the substratum, grow above the substratum. On the lower side, rhizoids are present, by which the lichen is attached to the substratum. These are grayish or brownish in color, and certain small spots are seen on the above surface of the thallus, is known as apothecia. Example is parmelion. This is the third type, that is fruticose or filamentous lichen. This appears shrubby with cylindrical, flat or ribbon-like body. The plant is upright, generally branched and pendulous. This pendulous structure uh, is known as apothecia, in which ascospores are produced. Example is usnea. Then we see the vs of apothecium, that is vertical section of apothecia. It is also known as fruit body or apothecium. The section shows this type. Apothecia is a saucer-shaped fruiting body lined with palisade-like layer of cells called hymenium. The hymenium consists of a series of elongated cells, the asci intermixed with sterile hyphae, the paraphyses. Each ascus usually contains 8 ascospores. Ascospores on liberation with the suitable algae produce the new lichen thallus. So this practical is for demonstration, and the specimens are come for spotting. Here three materials are there: crustose lichen, then foliose lichen and fruticose lichen. These specimens are kept for spotting in the examination. You will identify it, name it, and write the description of the thallus and their example.